What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. And today, look, I've been wanting to do this video, man. I've been wanting to do it. I put up a reel on my Facebook, but I've been wanting to show y'all. I know all y'all ain't on my Facebook and all that. But, man, I've been wanting to show y'all this, man. Just called Meech. Meech really ain't no joke, man. Meech really ain't no joke, man. And I want to talk to y'all about Meech, too. Listen to all that wildlife out here, boy. I be feeling like I'm in a jungle. It's like a jungle sometimes. It make me wonder how I keep from going on, boy. I'm telling you. Look at y'all got something on the lens. Hold on, let me wipe y'all off. Y'all wipe y'all off. Something on my lens, man. My bad, y'all. But yeah, I've been wanting to show y'all this, so I'm about to get wifey to follow me. I'm finna get we finna pull Big Meech out. I'm gonna pull Big Meech out, man. Shoot some reels. We finna do some highway pulls, on motor, of course. I don't even have nitrous plugs in this joker yet, man. And it's crazy. I've been driving it, but I still ain't drove it a lot, cause it still smell like new everything, man. Like, if you had a new engine, you know what I'm talking about, man. Like, you got a new car smell, you got a new engine smell, man. It still got that new engine smell and all of that, so I'm finna take this joke out. I'm finna show y'all, cause this car makes so much torque and so much power. Like, it's just unreal, man. It's unreal. Like, for real. It's unreal. Like, I mean, I know sometimes it be sounding like I be gassing stuff up, but I really just be keeping it real. I really do be keeping it real, man. Like, that it just what it is, man. I be torn cause I do these vlogs. I be torn with wanting to tell y'all like what level they on. But then it's just so crazy. You have, I mean, it ain't a lot of people that roll like that. I put it like this. Man, they going ham, boy. I put it like this. If it were more people around my way that was showing what they was doing and this and that, and I had some people to have some fun with that wouldn't get serious and then care about the world knowing all about their car, then I would move differently. But for the sake of giving y'all content, cause I really don't care. I really don't be caring if I race somebody or if I don't. Win or lose, I don't care. I'm not gonna change my cars up if I lose like a lot of people do. I don't do that. But like I said, some people, you know, in the South, it's a lot of no time racing. That's the only reason I do it, cause you run a man like if you showing you. Some people don't care still, but some people won't even sit beside you if they know you done showed your time, and especially with a platform big in mine. Like, that's why when I showed y'all the time, well, I finna point John Jones there. When I showed y'all the time on John Jones, I kind of chilled out, and I knew what I was getting ready to do. I was getting ready to sell the car and stuff anyway. So, but anyway, let's I'm finna hop in this joker. I'm finna hop in this joker right here. Crank it up. Get wifey, and then we finna go do some highway pull, man. I'm telling y'all, this joker here gonna break. This joker break traction at 60 mile per hour, man. It'll probably break traction at 70, but and I found out by mistake. But me knowing what I got, I already know what to do it anyway. I already knew that. So yeah, we finna do that because next time y'all see a video of the car, it probably gonna have the 24s on, and it's gonna have the new GladTech hood on too. So, man, I'm gonna tune in to y'all from the GoPro. And y'all know what? While we out, I'm gonna make another pull in this joker on the hard tie. I'm gonna try to tame it down, but I got a feeling it probably still ain't gonna do nothing. but we're gonna do that too. So we're gonna have all that going on in the video. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna see y'all on the GoPro on the interstate. Let's do it. Alright, y'all, I'm back, man. Putting on, made it back. It's over here, boy. Putting Meech up. Get Meech put up. I can't wait to get this hood off of this car, boy. I can't wait. Man, people been asking to buy this hood. I will sell it if somebody want it. Like I said, let me show y'all first. I said you probably can fix it, but it kind of bulge right there. That's the only thing to it, but some people want it. But I mean, if you want it, $350, you can have it. You can get it. Of course, it have to be one of them things. It got to be local pickup. I'm in Georgia. Hold on, y'all. Let me buckle in. Let y'all look at that pretty sky today. Let me buckle Meech up. But yeah, $350, man. You can get it. About time for my boy to get a new car cover, man. Nah, brown coat. I gotta get brown coat the car cover, man. Brown coat car cover so old, it ain't even funny. It ain't even funny, man. I ain't even been driving brown coat. I really ain't been wanting to drive it because I want to get it done. I want to get this truck done. Like, I know what it do. It's long overdue, man. I supposed to been put the nitrous on it. New fuel system. I mean, not fuel system. New ignition box and stuff, man. I gotta get it. Look at it. That's up there. Long overdue. But I done had it a minute. It been a good cover seat. I started to rip and got thin. R&B been chilling. But man, anyway, it ain't about all these. Man, this joker here, boy. Hey, Meech one of them one, man. As I keep saying, Meech one of them one, man. I know y'all saw that. Y'all saw it, man. I really did 3 altogether, but one of them I ain't put on here. The other one, I tried to stretch it out as much as I could, but we was shooting them in real format, straight up and down. But man, that joker, boy, this car here, this joker here crazy, man. Y'all know, and y'all know wife would get nervous and stuff, man. So I told her I probably won't be doing that no more for real. It just, like I said, to see it, to document for myself too. I like to have memory, but I would not be intentionally trying to go out there and break traction. Like that ain't it. That the one time, that's it. It's over with. Cause that can get sketchy. I mean, I ain't let it get out of shape, but that can get sketchy if you stayed in it. Cause if I would have stayed in it, it would have kept spinning. And we was in high gear, man. It just put down that much torque. It stopped spinning because I stopped, but it wanted to keep going. So I mean, that'll get sketchy going that fast. So I ain't doing that no more, man. I just do that to have a documentation for myself and a memory, and for y'all to see it and stuff. But this joker here, one of them. It one of them one, man. I wanted y'all to see it. Y'all saw it, but them hard tires ain't nothing, boy. This over here, man. I'm talking about, y'all see how I live? I ain't never lay in it completely, man. I never went to the flow call. It just, I just like to do it while I'm out, man. That's the thing about power management. I'm gonna tell y'all, and I'm gonna do a shootout. I'm gonna do a shootout with all my cars on a hard tie like this. Then I'm gonna put them on rims. I'm gonna do a shootout with the ones on rims. Cause y'all know I got 3 on rim, 1, 2, 3, and I might add. I'm gonna add a 4th one, make it 4 to make it, you know, just make it interesting. But I'll make it right. And then we're gonna do a shootout on slicks / radials, and everything will be in it except this right here, Grandma Nana. Grandma Nana be the only one that's not in it. So that we got going. Like I'm gonna put this one on the radials. I'm gonna have this one on radials or slicks one on. R&B had the slicks on, which I gotta go get from cuz I gotta inspect the slick, man. I don't know, I might have to buy some new 26-inch slick, cause they might be damaged and stuff, but I might have to get some new tire. Then y'all know R&B, not R&B, Brown Coat already got them. So we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 car shootout on the slicks. Then we're gonna have everything that gonna run in the hard tie, even Grandma Nana. And then we're gonna have the rims. We're gonna have 4, and then they're gonna be it. Yeah. So I got that coming. Y'all gonna want to see that. I promise you, y'all are gonna want to see that, man. But yeah, this thing here just ain't nothing, man. But one of my bros hit me on Facebook. He was like, my boy Maurice, shout out to him, cause he get down on the hard tie, and he makes some power too. But he was telling me some stuff to try, so I might try it for a vlog, man, just for the hell of it. Even though I'm not trying to hard tie race, it'll be something to do, cause he gave me some good stuff to try. And I'm gonna try that out, man. We'll have that vlog coming on 15. I might be surprised, man. I mean, this joker do pretty decent on the 15. That'll be pretty crazy. But I know with the right equipment, you can get everything to work on any tie. You just gotta know how to adjust your shocks and all that. Y'all saw how much testing it took for Dolo, but I got Dolo dialed in, and Dolo run pretty fast on the 26 to be true street. It do. It run pretty fast, man. The nitrous, I have not ran it. I have not ran out the back door on the nitrous, not on the 26s, and not on I'm sorry if y'all hit it wind, and not on radials. But I plan on doing that this weekend. I plan on doing that. So cause end of the year, they probably gonna be one of the last times I got to let it hang. I was gonna take both of them, but I don't know if we're gonna have all the stuff on that car in time. But I know I got one more time at Middle Georgia in December, and I might save the best for last, like always. So instead of taking both, trying to focus on both, I'm probably just gonna end up taking Dolo, cause I ain't had none of one of the undercovers say nothing, no way. And look, before I close this video out, let me talk about this. I put the post on my Facebook. If you're on my if you ain't on my Facebook, man, you're missing out. Jmalcom 2004 rides on Facebook. I be posting a lot of stuff on there. I put the post up there, like I did the video for y'all. I put the post of Dolo and Meech, and I basically was saying, hey, if any of the undercover haters that secretly want to see me and my cousin Lou, just come out there. Y'all, it wasn't nothing that I'm mad. It's just that let's race. Instead of quit calling our cars slow or behind the scenes on the back line talking, you know, hoping we lose, or every time somebody step up saying they want to race us. And these be people that just cool and friendly. Then you see the likes, this and that, or you know what I'm saying, they be wanting to see us lose. But that's what I'm saying, like them people. I put the post up, but I got people tagging people I'm cool with. I'm like, man, these people I'm cool with, man. What y'all tagging them for? And if I do race them people, it'll be somewhere don't nobody even know. It'll be a day won't nobody know, and we'll turn up for a vlog. And then people just see the video. It won't even be nothing posted. It'll just be the video pop up, and people will see, oh, they ran. Click on it, watch it, enjoy it. Isn't it? Cause I'm gonna be honest, when it comes to racing people, I don't really like putting it out there publicly anymore, like on a post and stuff, until out there happen. Cause you got too many non-factors that get involved. I understand you like who you like, but you know, respect the other person too. Respect the other person, man. Like, I don't like, I mean, like if I'm racing somebody and you got the people that with me, just keep it like that. Hey, I like Jay, isn't it? Don't disrespect the other car call. That don't mean the other car slouch. They ain't slow. You know what I'm saying? Anything can happen. Like when me and Chucky were getting ready to race the other time, my boy G, it like you be seeing a lot of that. Like, oh, this ain't nothing. Dolo ain't nothing. Chucky ain't nothing. Nah, man. Don't you ain't gotta do all that extra stuff. That's why I don't like posting the car. It be non-factors. Like, man, y'all ain't gotta do all that extra stuff. Both of the car fast, be real, and it can go either way. Like same thing with me and Cuzzo. They're my family. At the end of the day, you gotta do all that extra stuff. Dolo gonna kill Big Mike. Big Mike gonna kill Dolo and Gap. Nah, it ain't gonna be none of that, man. It ain't gonna be none of that. You like who you like, they're cool. Cause then when it get to that, I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm gonna be real. When it get to that, you get to talking like that. I don't never say nothing disrespect whoever I'm about to have fun with, cause they cool. I wouldn't be racing with they cool. But when it get them people be talking crazy like that, I be on them, boy. I'm like, what you got? What you want to do? What you want to do? I'm gonna chase you down now. What you want to do? Let's shake something. That's just how I be, man. But end of the day, I'm gonna push having fun. That's what it's about. Like I said, I want y'all to see this joker, this nag right here. The next time y'all see it on video, we're gonna be debuting the new look, the new improved. We're gonna try the new shocks out. Have an anti-roll bar on here. It's gonna be set like it's supposed to. It won't be cocking sideways no more like this. It's gonna leave level 2 tires in the air, or I'm gonna keep it on the ground depending on how I dial my shocks in. And then we'll finally come out on the 20-fold. So look, when y'all see that thumbnail and this joker on the 20-fold with that new Glad Tech hood, just know everything is everything. All we gonna have left is put the new rear in there, where everything is everything. So you just know. And when we take it to the track, we gonna spread. Y'all will not see 100% backdoor run this year though. I ain't doing that until I put that 9-inch in there, cause it needed. But we will spread. Y'all will see it on nitro this year, but it ain't gonna be out the back door. And I mean, it's gonna be a baby shot. Cause it runs so fast on motor. It really don't take a lot. It ain't gonna take a lot. It can take a lot. It's set up to take a lot. Cause like I said, it's a nitro engine. It's set up and it's a big block. Big block got a higher tolerance than a small block. So it's set up to take whatever. It's set up to take whatever. But I'm gonna talk about a baby. A baby. When y'all see it on nitro, it's gonna be a baby car. Y'all saw how fast it went on motor. And even the second pass on motor, it went fast. And I left the line at half a pedal. That's why it didn't cock up like that the last time. I left the line at half a pedal and rolled in it, and it still went pretty fast. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted y'all to see that video breaking traction, man. I went ahead and made a lap for y'all while we was at it and stuff. So I'm in the midst of setting up some ride racks and all that. I'm trying to get this joker dialed in and stuff too, and put the roll bar and everything on there so it's just nice and straight. And you know, we're gonna see what it do. So that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.